Hi everyone, I'm Mitra,
Hi, I'm Gabriel.
and we're going to talk about K-pop's JYP Entertainment.
Yeah, the first group we're gonna talk about
Wonder
is
Girls.
yeah, what's it?
And their so-called latest song
Please be my baby.
Yeah, who's your favorite member in Wonder Girls?
Yubin.
Same here.
High five.
How about you guys? What do you like Yubin?
Her rapping.
Yeah, and her English is like so fluent because she
Yeah.
like stayed or was born in America or something like that, right?
I don't think so.
No, she was something
Really?
like that, you know, something like that, right?
Shocking.
Help us, tell us in the comments below. Something like that, yeah. Okay,
This is our first video, so we're like,
yeah, okay, yeah. And then, what do you think of Wonder Girls' vocal skills?
beautiful and feminine.
Vocal skills.
Beautiful and feminine.
Their vocal skills are very strong. The English very good, so is the Chinese. Did you hear Wonder Girls Slim the rapping? The song Act Cool.
No.
Act Cool. Act. Have you guys heard it? Tell me in the comments below. Should I stop doing that?
No.
Okay. So Wonder Girls. When did they debut?
Debuted. Yubin came in
After Hyuna, cause
yeah.
Hyuna had to leave because of some medical reason, or she was sick or something like that, right?
Maybe it's before like 2007, like 2006 or 2005. Sorry,
Okay, so
I can't
let's
control
go
myself.
to 2 p.m. 2 p.m.
With their cool, awesome song.
Put your hands up.
Okay,
Okay, they're also from JYP Entertainment.
who's your favorite member?
Niku.
Mine's Juno.
Why do you know? Yeah, he does look like Rain, you know.
I know, right?
Are we speaking too soft? Cause you see the volume thing here is like.
Okay, we're
going down.
gonna speak louder.
You see it hit red.
Sorry.
This is my house. Got neighbor, you know. Okay, 2 p.m. What do you think of their latest song? You know the MV. It was part of it was filmed in Singapore.
I know, right? But I
Singapore.
think it's
Quite nice. Because you know, Tae Hyung, he comes out in such a nice car. I think it was a Ferrari or Lamborghini. It was Ferrari, right? The MV.
I think so.
Ferrari. Aren't Ferraris red?
Yeah.
I think it was Lamborghini or something. Lamborghini's yellow.
BMW.
No, it was a damn nice car. It came out. Tiong!
Oh yeah.
I don't know what the car is. Sorry, I didn't do my research.
We're not into cars. Not like
Anyway,
one of our friends in Sec 4 right now.
I know. Car. I know. Okay. Okay. Now let's go after 2 p.m. So let's talk about Miss A now. Goodbye, baby. Goodbye. Oh, you hit the red again.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, who's your favorite member?
I have to say my favorite member is.
Faster, you know. Don't have a lot of time.
You say first.
Oh, I like Min. You know she's the one that dance very powerful.
I like Suzy.
Oh, maintain.
Sorry.
Yeah, Suzy is the maknae.
I
Wonder
know.
Girls maknae her sorry.
Hey, my hair look poofy.
Okay, but we're filming.
Sorry.
Anyways, Wonder Girls, Goodbye Baby Goodbye. I really like the song. It's very catchy.
The
Especially,
music video is cool too.
Yeah.
And
And
they
then,
look so sexy.
especially
I'm not a lesbian. Sorry.
especially during the rap part.
Yes, I agree.
Park Seo. Okay, maintain. So yeah, out of all these three bands,
Please comment downstairs.
and like this video and subscribe.
Yes.
And any comments below? Any comments on how we are?
Don't worry, we got a lot of things to talk about.
Okay, any comments on us? Yeah, I know we're not professional or anything, but yeah.
And write down what you think about us.
And any questions you have, and what we could possibly do for our next video,
Yep.
like, subscribe. And for our next video, we're going to talk about YG Entertainment, about 21 and Big Bang. So out of all these three bands, 2 p.m, Wonder Girls, and Miss A, which do you like best?
I have to say 2 p.m.
Because they are guys.
I know.
Yeah, I also have to choose 2 p.m. Okay, so yeah, let us know what you think and what
Yeah.
all I said just now, and we'll be back.
No vulgarities is allowed. in the comments. Sorry.
Okay. Please don't spam.
Mm-hmm.
So you can follow us.
No, they can spam.
Okay, main thing. You can follow me on Twitter and add us on Facebook.
Yeah, my name is Gabriel Lee.
Wait, we'll write the stuff in the description box below.
Sorry.
Below. Somewhere around here. Somewhere
Yeah,
around
yeah,
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, somewhere there. Okay. Have a good day or night, and we'll be back. Bye bye.